ain't no shine. We be staying up all night, trying to work.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a quick chit chat get ready with me. This look, more natural wing liner, vámonos. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. Continue watching to see how I got this look and what products I use. Hey guys, so today I'm just gonna do a little quick get ready with me. My brows are already done. Yadira actually filled them in for me because I did go see her today. Like always, start with my moisturizer. This is the same one, the e.l.f. one. So yeah, happy Saturday guys. How are you guys doing today? I feel like my skin has like little bumps all over it. Like you can't see it, but I can feel it. So I already primed with that. I'm actually gonna try also this no pore blum serum essence thing. I'm just gonna apply it on my nose and right here, my under eye area sort of, because that's where I have the most pores. For my eyes, I am going to just prime them how I normally do with the MAC Soft Ochre. So I'm gonna actually go into the Anastasia Single Shadows. I'm gonna go into Burnt Orange and just sweep that onto the crease. So as you can see, I'm not being super precise. I am just literally sweeping that all over my face. On my eyes. Maquillándome. Okay, so for the eyes for now, I am just going to do my liner. I am going to go in with, I've actually been loving this one. It's the Marc Jacobs one, Blacker liner. I am going to be trying a new foundation today. I did actually pick up the Dose of Colors new one, and I did pick up their sponge as well. So this is so exciting. I should have shown you guys before, but it was so much smaller. The foundation is so aesthetically pleasing because I love the actual packaging. It has a pump, so that's always a plus. So now I'm going in with the foundation. Ooh, this is so good. My skin looks flawless. And now I'm just going to apply a little bit of this e.l.f. concealer just to kind of brighten my under eye. So I'm just going to apply a tiny bit of this Charlotte Tilbury powder just with a small fluffy brush. So I am going to spray my face really quick with this Watermelon Glow. Dude, my face looks freaking flawless. Like, I don't know if you guys are like picking up what I see, but it looks flawless. So I'm going to be trying out a new bronzer. This is by Makeup Geek. And I was actually so intrigued by this bronzer because my tones. Ooh, yes. Just a perfect amount to add structure, but still. So now I'm going to go in with this blush because it's calling my name. I'm going to go in with Gold Ore by Melt Cosmetics. I'm going to go back into this palette, just go into Sienna, and then go into this one again, and then I'll blend it out. I'm going to use Alamara Cosmetics. This is the Dulce by Alamar Cosmetics, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply crushed liquid lip in Leash Baby. And I'm gonna go ahead and set it again with the same. For mascara, I am gonna go in with the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir mascara in Noir. Now I'm gonna go to Earthquake liner by Marc Jacobs as well. And that is like a quick glam. Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, ring that bell if you would like notifications. If you would not, that's cool. But yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.
It ain't working, we not gonna do it. But you got it, man. I'm looking.